Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to become a Pinterest influencer. Pinterest isn't just another social platform, it works more like a visual search engine. That's why this strategy goes as an influencer here is different from Instagram or TikTok. Pinterest SEO matters, add keywords that describe your niche and style. Also have one dedicated board that features only your original content. This acts like your personal portfolio and keeps your brand identity clear. Match boards with your niche like fashion influencer or travel influencer. The more specific, the better. Now use relevant search-friendly words in the title, description, and alt text for every pin. This makes your content more discoverable. You can turn Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts into Pinterest idea pins. Upload directly instead of cross-posting since native content performs better. And networking is key. Comment, save, and repin content from other creators. This signals to Pinterest that you're active in your community. And of course, post regularly. Pinterest rewards consistent posting, for example 3 to 5 pins daily instead of 30 in one day. Use scheduling tools like Tailwind to stay consistent. And that's it guys. Once you grow, you can partner with brands for sponsored pins, drive traffic to your blog or YouTube or Instagram, and use affiliate links because Pinterest allows them directly into pins. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.